Syndemic Diseases Control Council NSDCC nigo giachakire umuroberio bwogosemia abantu igoro yebinyinyi byenyamoreo chisegi chegenka nabo igo amarito agenkyo ase chi county isano na isato okwana akorase county ya Makueni umo director bw'umuroberio yo Dr. Steven Ndolo niga enekia Kenya nigo yenegetie ebinyinyi byenyamoreo chiribu 19 boya ase abasae ange chiribu satobe myaka 15 oika 24 babwate ebinyinyi ebyo abange bale aborokigwa nigo baenekire ekyo nakyo kirete serikali kobweterana ni wizara y'ekisemi eliyogwasemia abantu.
Being able to be equipped, and as we go there, we are going to take care of them. We are going to support them. We will link them to the concerned people, to the concerned facilities that they may continue with life.
So lazima tuwaongeleshe jinsi ambayo kuwa umuhimu wa kumeza dawa ni nini. Alafu pia kuna wale ambao wanaficha dawa. So wakikuja na hizi dawa inafaa wajue kuwa dawa yafaa iwekwe na patron ama pia na matron, so that they take their medicine on time. Alafu pia wajikubali.
3,000 new infections were among 15 to 24 years, and these are basically the learners who are in secondary school and tertiary institutions, and therefore because of this new increase in new infections among the learners, this is what has made us focus mainly in schools in partnership with the Ministry of Education.